Hello, welcome to my PHP login user tutorial. I'm going to show you how to connect your PHP program to your MySQL database and check whether the user is entering a correct username and password in order to continue into your website. So for that, I'm going to go into phpMyAdmin. It's available with XAMPP and all other PHP server programs, VAMP, MAMP 2. So I'm gonna go here and in MySQL localhost and just create a new database. I'm gonna name it login. I'm just gonna select this create button here and it will create a new database. I'm gonna name a new table. I'm also gonna name it login and I'm gonna name 3 fields. I'm gonna just press here go. Now I'm gonna name these 3 fields ID, user and pass. Now I'm gonna select this ID to serial and this to varchar, this to also to varchar. I'm gonna leave this length and values blank here. I'm gonna name its length to 20 and this one size to 13. And I'm gonna name its certain index to primary, this one to unique, and pass to also to unique. I'm gonna save this table and it has successfully created a table. Now I'm gonna put some values in it, so I'm gonna go here and insert, and I'm gonna insert the value. I'm not going to insert the value here. I'm going to insert the value here. User. I'm going to insert the HD. And I'm going to insert the password as password. I'm going to insert another value for user. That's tutorials and password same password. No, rather than password, I'm say bye. I'm just say go, and we have created these 2 fields and all. Now I'm gonna say browse, and as you can see we have two values for these fields. That's first one is HD and pass is password. Second is tutorials and pass is bye. So we have successfully created our MySQL database and table. Now I'm gonna write the HTML layout for an HTML layout of this login page. So first I'm gonna write the HTML, then start with body, close HTML. Sorry. Now between this I'm gonna write a form tag. I'm gonna name its action to login.php. Login is yes, method is post, and I'm gonna describe one username, then input type text, name is username, and just leave it. Now beer, insert password, input type, I'm gonna say password, name, password, and I'm just gonna close that up. Now again beer. Now 2 buttons, input type, submit, and value is go, and close the form tag. And I'm just gonna select this and just press tab. So you can see we have created our HTML layout. I'm gonna just save it and go into localhost and test and refresh the browser. As you can see, we have created our basic HTML layout. If you put anything and say go, nothing happens as usual. You see, nothing happens. So now I want to do my basic PHP programming, and that will continue in another second part of this tutorial. So till then, keep watching.